RPPtv have developed a prototype autonomous footstep replacement system for cross-platform media production in an Innovate Robotics and Autonomous Systems project assign. We have an initial system that is working by acoustically analysing existing audio from on-set recordings, but often this audio is of low quality or even non-existent, such as in animation, games and immersive productions. So acoustic analysis does not always give the required or best or any results alone. This limits the market take-up as most footsteps are replaced in all media productions. RPPtv have been trying to extend the system's capability using vision analysis of the actor's gait or motion, where the results should accurately match real acoustic footsteps analysis, to then replace footsteps in media productions solely with visual analysis techniques. This is proving a difficult problem and is the key issue we are trying to solve. We need expert analysis and measurement assistance to understand the issues of our existing system to help tackle and solve this biometric gait problem. Gait can be diverse. Factors such as age, gender, body shape and walking direction need to be incorporated for a useful product. The core of the problem is in measuring gait and the relevant context from a video so that it provides accurate detection of people and their motion, so footsteps can be replaced where audio does not exist and where there may only be upper body imagery. The major challenge is finding robust enough methods of motion measurement that are consistently reliable and yet provide enough information from 2D video pixel data that footsteps can be inferred accurately. This must be referenced against acoustic analysis standards to understand the closest audio footsteps to replace. We need to run performance tests to assess if the current models we use are sufficient, to develop an understanding of the system's processes and properties for success, including improvements that are needed. Budgets are increasingly under pressure, and sound editors and designers need tools to help autonomize their workflows to remain competitive, especially in immersive productions where manual replacement of sounds in 360 environments pushes human capabilities, and where quality, speed of process and accuracy are key to successful market traction. There are no off-the-shelf solutions to assist us solve our problem.